Welcome to the tech video presentation of Vtier Storage. In this video, we're going to show how Vtier Storage brings value to its customers. We're going to start with the current challenges facing the storage industry today, and then go into the solutions developed at Vtier Storage to solve these challenges. This first slide should come as no surprise. On average, data in enterprise grows at 40 to 60% year after year due to a number of factors, including an explosion in unstructured data, as well as email and documents that have been stored due to regulatory requirements that continue to evolve and change. According to a survey by research firm Gartner Inc., data growth is the biggest data center hardware infrastructure challenge for large enterprises. Data growth has been ranked in the top 3 challenges for IT management. Traditionally, stand storage per gigabyte cost ranges between $2 to $10 depending on the features you use. NAS on the cheaper side can bring down per gigabyte cost to $1 to $5 range. Vtier storage costs as low as 20 cents per gigabyte. This reduction in cost is achieved by using space-saving algorithms and block tiering. With horizontal scaling, Vtier delivers exceptional performance for IOPS for your application. At Vtier, we are trying to reduce complexity and enhance ROI for storage subsystems. Our unified storage appliances provide multi-protocol access for every application in the enterprise with I/O performance customization. CIFS, NFS, and Fiber Channel can be provisioned through the same appliance and deliver extreme flexibility for your application stack. Our cloud storage offerings present a perfect fit for your cloud infrastructure. Vtier's site installation takes less than 30 minutes and comes with default profiles which are suited for most applications. Software is designed for simplified management and highly customizable I/O profiles. Every application can have a different I/O profile depending on the access pattern and response time requirements. Vtier Engine is our main building block. Vtier Engine decides on tier migrations, tier selection, depending on I/O profile, compression, and deduplication. Vtier Engine is multi-threaded, and an I/O profile of one application does not affect access to other applications. Tier migration activities and policies are user customizable. Each Vtier appliance comes with 3 tiers of storage: SSD, SAS, Fiber Channel, SAS/Fiber Channel, and SATA. Size of each tier depends on the customer requirements and usually pre-built before shipping the appliance. Vtier OS is B-tree based and designed extensively to deliver high throughput with no direct impact to front-end applications. This slide differentiates us from other storage vendors. As soon as applications start writing, blocks are reserved on SSD tiers. If SSD blocks are not extensively used and doesn't collect enough hits in a specific interval, Vtier Engine moves them to the SAS, Fiber Channel, or SATA tier and freeing up SSD space for other applications. This ensures that every tier is used to its best and deliver excellent response time. I/O pattern sensing features send serial I/O streams directly to lower tiers to avoid wasting space on the SSD tier. Transparent compression is another feature that reduces the data footprint and adds extreme value to our solution. When blocks on the SATA tier expire at a certain age, they are compressed and placed inside the compression tier. Data is decompressed on the fly if needed and delivered to applications with no I/O penalty for being on the compressed tier. On some Oracle and VMware environments, we have seen savings up to 90%. Vcache is another software feature where blocks are cached on SSD for low latency applications and boost performance for random I/O workloads. Migration intervals and migration periods hits for initiating migration activities across tiers. All features are user customizable. Vtier OS performs reads ahead, tuning for high throughput applications like backup workloads. 0 blocks were removed as part of data migration and are recreated on the fly if accessed. Transparent compression yields more than a 5-to-1 compression and free space on SATA tier for other applications. Migration, compression, and deduplication are all post activities, and there's no user response degradation during these operations. This slide presents a snapshot of all capabilities which are on par with any enterprise storage. Space-efficient snapshots, clones, can be created for testing, development, or backup purposes. Replication can be set up between Vtier appliances. Data can be encrypted using password or key files when replicated to remote destinations. Volume encryption is supported, virtual tape library emulation for backup applications, Active Directory integration, and LACP support. Our smallest appliance is Vtier 50, comes with 60 terabyte RAID protected storage. With space savings algorithms, VT50 can provide up to 500 terabytes of logical storage with no performance penalty. Vtier 50 is suited for departmental NAS SAN purposes. Vtier 100 can provide up to 1 petabyte of logical storage. Our biggest box, Vtier 400, is best suited for backup or archival applications and can provide logical storage up to 5 petabytes. Vtier is a true scale-out architecture for block and object storage. Vtier is highly available and highly redundant by design. Vtier uses SSDs and spinning disks to achieve both capacity and performance requirements. Vtier allows you to scale out your storage requirements as your storage requirements increases, allowing you to linearly increase storage performance and capacity by adding additional blocks. Solutions with total SATA or mix of SSD and SATA, Vtier can provide storage up to 540 terabytes. Vtier S50 and Vtier S100 start with 3-node configurations and scale up. With multi-protocol support, Vtier appliances can cater to each and every enterprise application. CIFS for Windows environments, NFS for Linux/Solaris, and Fiber Channel for low latency applications. Simplified management and single interface for all your storage provisioning. For backups, Vtier applications provide 75% saving compared to other vendors. With deduplication and replicated image, it saves time and bandwidth for sending your backups to the DR site. Backup replication can be set up as one-to-many for sending backup copies to multiple sites for redundancy. Remote image can be mounted and archived to tape for off-site storage if needed. Vtier appliances are a perfect fit for your big data implementations. With space efficiency, your big data implementations can be achieved with less storage nodes, saving you substantial space, power, and implementation costs. Deploying Vtier in cluster mode gives you additional benefits of easy provisioning and cost savings. Scalable architecture starts from as little as 3 nodes and scales up as you need additional storage nodes, giving you additional capacity and performance. Hybrid storage with a mix of SSD and SATA gives performance and scalability to your ESX farm. Our products are built with innovation, experience, and solving problems faced by customers in their storage infrastructure every day. Storage has been too expensive for too long. Lately, there are a few products like ClusterFS to bring enterprise storage technology to bigger crowds without a big price tag. Vtier is another step in this direction where we provide end-to-end storage solutions and reduce your data footprint by up to 75%. Our appliances are totally customizable and you are not locked into any solution which you do not need or will not use. With our caching and tiering algorithms, we can meet any performance requirement alongside delivering space savings. We give 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Thank you for joining our tech presentation. If you have any further questions, please do reach out to us. We would love to discuss if our technologies can solve your storage needs. Also, we have Vtier training videos on our website showing you the value, simplicity, and innovation of our products.